Let me ask you something. If social media can destroy your time, why can't it build your English at the same time? We spend hours scrolling Instagram reels, YouTube shorts, WhatsApp statuses. But imagine, what if every scroll made your English better? What if your English improved without books, without classes, just by using the apps you already use? Sounds impossible? Let me show. I know what happens. You follow English pages, you save English posts, you even screenshot vocabulary thinking that I'll study this later. But that later never comes, and your English stays the same. So, my dear friends, don't worry. I was the same. I wasted hours on social media and felt guilty every night until one day I realized social media is not the problem. The way we use it is. And once I changed how I use social media, my English improved faster than ever before. Your English improves when your environment improves. So clean your feed, unfollow the junk, follow creators who speak English clearly and fluently. Maybe motivational pages, English teachers, storytellers, and vloggers. And suddenly, every scroll becomes a learning moment. You learn new words, new expressions, and new accents all effortlessly. Listen more than you watch. Most people watch reels, but fluent people listen to the English inside those reels. Every reel you scroll through, pay attention to pronunciation, tone, and rhythm. Repeat it out loudly. And this is how kids learn. And this is how you will also learn. Turn comments into a speaking classroom. This is my favorite. Whenever you watch a reel or post in English, write one comment in English. And it doesn't matter even if it's small. It might even be, "This is great. I learned something new today. I agree with this." This gives you daily writing practice without boredom. And the best part, nobody is judging you. Yes, my dear friends, nobody is judging you. Everyone is busy commenting their own thing. This is powerful. Whenever you find a reel with good English, save it. Then at night, play your saved reels and repeat the sentence out loudly. This builds natural fluency and removes hesitation. You are literally copying the style of fluent speakers. Set a rule. For 30 minutes, Instagram and YouTube must be in English only mode. No Hindi, no Marathi, no mixing. This rewires your brain to think in English because the content around you is in English. Yes, just 30 minutes a day, and you will see your fluency rising faster than you expect. Social media is not just entertainment, it can be your classroom, your mentor, your practice partner, your dictionary, your confidence trainer. all in one pocket. You don't need expensive courses. You don't need perfect grammar. Yes, my dear friends, all you need is to scroll with intention. So, yes, starting today, use your social media to upgrade your English. Not waste your time. If you are ready to turn your phone into your English teacher, comment below. I am ready, and I'll see you in the next video.